In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect mouse to Mac using a keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you don't have access to a mouse at the moment, but you want to connect a new one, you can do so using only your keyboard. So I'm going to show you the commands that you have to do in order to get the mouse to work. Of course, make sure that it powers on and that it is on standby. You don't have to do this at the start, but if you want to, just set it on pairing mode now. So power it on and make sure that it is ready to pair. Now, press Command plus space on your keyboard. And once you press Command plus space, you will see the option to type something here. What you have to do is type B, or Bluetooth File Exchange. As soon as you type B, it should appear here close to the top of the list. So now, open Bluetooth File Exchange and you will see your documents and other similar folders. What you have to do here is return twice. So from this menu, return once, and then if needed, return twice until you see this screen. Then you will see the option to send a file. But what you want to do is actually select a Bluetooth device, which includes, of course, your mouse. It doesn't need to be the Magic Mouse specifically, but any mouse that has the option to be connected over Bluetooth. Then all that you have to do is use the arrow keys to browse through all of the items here. So if you have multiple Bluetooth devices nearby, highlight the actual mouse until you see this blue background, and once it is highlighted, then you press enter and select it. By doing this, the Magic Mouse will be connected. You can then close out of this menu and resume using the cursor without any issues. So just make sure that the mouse is powered on, good to go, on standby, set it into pairing mode, and then afterwards go to Bluetooth File Exchange by pressing Command plus space and then typing out Bluetooth File Exchange. Return twice, use the arrow keys to select it, and then press enter. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.